Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the simple principle to achieve this, and this type of style line. Let's get into it. This is a hip line. This is the center front line of our skirt. Basically, we're going to be taking out this dot. So I'm going to measure out this distance here. And whatever you have, you take it out from the side. So mine is here. And then I'm going to connect it to this point. So exactly where the apex is. So you connect it right there. I'm just going to blend this so it goes smoothly. So now that that's done, the next thing to do is to extend or flare up the hem a bit, just to get that full effect that you see. So I'm just going to do it by 3 centimeters and connect it to the hip line right here, and then join it back. Now that that's done, let's cut it out. Okay, so this is our pattern cut out. As you know, we've already eliminated the dot here, so I'm just going to cancel this out. The next thing we're going to be doing is creating the style line. I want it to fall somewhere here, so I'm just going to draw a line and connect to this point. Next, I'm going to be drawing slash lines because we're going to be spreading this out to get the gathers. So just draw straight lines from that style line to the hem of your skirt. Ideally, you should make those lines equal. Once your lines are drawn, the next thing will be to cut out the pattern. Best practice is to always have the patterns numbered. That way you don't get confused as to where to place them, or just if you lose one part, you will know it's missing. So the next step is spreading. Just place them on a fresh piece of paper, spread them at equal distance, and then cut it out. And that's it, all done, guys. Very quick and easy and really stylish and trendy at the moment. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.